Happy Kidoodles! Meow there! I'm Captain Whiskers, your silly cat friend. Today, we're going to learn the letters U to Z. Let's start our alphabet adventure. Come learn with me.
U is for umbrella. Say it with me. Umbrella. An umbrella keeps you dry when it rains. V is for violin. Say it with me. Violin. A violin makes beautiful music. W is for watermelon. Say it with me. Watermelon. A watermelon is sweet and juicy. X is for xylophone. Say it with me. Xylophone. A xylophone is a musical instrument with colorful bars. Y is for yak. Say it with me. Yak. A yak is a big furry animal that lives high in the mountains. Z is for zebra. Say it with me. Zebra. A zebra has black and white stripes.
Yeah, we did it, friends! You all were amazing! So, are you ready for our ABC song? Let's go!
U is for umbrella, twirl it high. V is for violin, music in the sky. W is for watermelon, sweet and round. X is for xylophone, rainbow sound. Y is for yak, furry and strong. Z is for zebra, stripey all along.
Goodbye, friends! See you in the final episode where we'll do the revision from A to Z. Till then, do your homework properly, my friends! Please like, share, and subscribe the channel for more such fun videos.